Right now I'm going to draw China. Everybody say China, the shape is like a chicken. But do you know that China is also looks like the shape of smile, or even the shape of heart, as I will show you. See, this is China, right? It also looks like a smile, and you know, this is China, you know, it's chicken shape, and also you see if you change it, it's easily become a shape of heart. So China is love, you know, and smile, so harmony. Also, right now I'm going to draw American. You see, American. It's more like, you know, you can easily just change it from China to American. And you know, right now we are in Texas. It's like this area. It's like the breast of the goat or sheep. And we have Florida here. And so basically it means like China and US can be in harmony with each other. So the sheep and the chicken can be in harmony with each other. Like tea is healthy, harmony, pure nature. Okay, right now I'm going to draw also a draft of the word tea. You know, in China, tea is people in between grass and wood. And also, if you write it in Chinese character, it will be like at the top, it will be like 20. This is like 20, and then 8, 10, 'So you'll be 20 plus 88. So the T will be 108. So that's what we say, like people drink tea and live at least 180 years old. That's what we call the age of tea, meaning longitude, healthy, harmony, pure nature. So we wish President family all live a very long life and be happy. And so right now I'm also going to draw a figure. We call it longevity or longitude. This is what I'm going to show you. The longitude. It's another Chinese character, like this. You see, it's like a flower blooming here right now. So this is the character of longevity. But we draw it in the shape like a flower at the top, blooming. So we wish President and everybody here have a long life, live happily, healthy, harmony, pure and nature life. Thank you everybody. Thank you for coming.
Years ago, a piece of tea leaf flies into the boiling water of Emperor Shenlong's teapot. It elevates him from the sickness of trying different drugs. He becomes the first Dr. Tea, and he says, "The tea is good. My love tea, my love." my tea. The second Dr. Tea in the world is Mr. Lu Yu, who wrote the very famous The Bible of Tea in Chinese Tang Dynasty, which is about 1,000 years ago. He said, "My love tea, my love, my tea." The most famous tea village in the world lies in the Bohe Mountain of Fujian, China, where my love tea, Dr. Tea, comes from. The premiers and emperors are Dr. Teas of the Song Dynasty. In their poems they said, Bohe tea is the best tea in the world and had been planted by the Bohe immortals long time ago. They said, "My love tea, my love, my tea." The famous Bohe tea from my love tea Dr. Tea's hometown becomes the British Queen's tea after Princess Catherine becomes British Queen. She said, "My love tea, my love, my tea." My love tea Dr. Tea was invited to attend the 241-year anniversary of Boston Tea Party and was interviewed by the famous Fox News reporter Bill Marcus on the spot, known as Interviewing with the Very Famous Dr. Tea. The tea related to the starting point of American history and widely appreciated and enjoyed by President Thomas Jefferson and President Nixon is my love tea, my love, my tea. Coming from the best-known tea village, my love tea Dr. Tea finished his PhD in nanomedicine in the United States and published his paper Tea and Cancer Prevention in Journal of Cancer Research Updates and started his company, My Love Tea. He was interviewed by the famous China Daily USA entitled Dr. Tea Takes on the US Market. My love tea Dr. Tea is the creator and leader of the world tea culture of healthy, harmony, pure, nature, and the provider of the best quality tea.